Okay, so basically this is a Navien NPE 240A2 natural gas, and it has a dedicated return line. And I'm gonna show you how to set it up. I noticed that people are having trouble with it and they keep calling me to come help them. So basically in here, there's a little valve. If it's parallel, if it's aiming to the left, that means that valve is on internal recirculation. But because you have a dedicated line, return line, you have to aim it down. So you gotta reach in there, aim it down. And then you have to set up, program it basically. And it's pretty easy. Just go to menu, the M, circulation settings, hit OK. And you have to have it on external recirculation because it has a dedicated return line. Hit OK. And then it says number 2, external recirculation. Set the internal two-way valve to the external recirculation position, which we just did when we turned that little valve down. Hit OK. Is an external pump connected to the water heater? No, we do not have a return pump outside the water heater. We're using the one inside. So you hit no. And you want to hit always on. And there it is. Now to you. And then if you want to, so this is ready to go. It comes factory set at a differential operating temperature of 9 degrees. So if the water heater coming in is 111 degrees, it's gonna turn on. I like to put it at 5 degrees differential, so I'll show you how to do that. So just hit the menu and the return button at the same time. Long hold. There it is. Installer menu, hit OK. And then the factory, it's gonna ask you for a password. The factory password is 1234. So just hit up to 1, hit OK, hit up 2, hit OK, hit the 3, hit OK, and then 4, hit OK. Service installation status information, the service status info, we'll come back to that. You gotta go to number 2. This is so you go to parameter settings, hit OK. And you just have to scroll down, I think it's 5. Recirculation off differential temperature, number 5, hit OK. And recirculation off differential temperature. The pump will turn on when the return temp meets or exceeds this setting. So we're gonna hit OK. There it is, number 9, that's factory set. We're gonna go to 5. So if I have it set at 120, it's gonna actually turn off at 115. So hit OK, and that's good to go. Now we're just gonna go up. Oh, there's it. Oh yeah, hit return. Service status information. And elapse time. You're gonna go to recirculation. Oh, you know my acuerdo. Oh, there it goes. Now it's turning on. So you're pretty much done. It's gonna start returning. There's no faucets on. This machine's doing it itself. Menu, recirculation status information. You can go there, and you can go to number 5. Number 5, out water temperature. Number 6 is your in water temperature. This is if you just want to see what it's doing. So right now the water temperature is coming into the water heater through the dedicated return line at 89 degrees Fahrenheit. It should be going up here soon. There goes 90. So it's returning the system. The system's returning. And when it gets to 115, the water heater is going to turn off. And it's going to do this cycle every half hour. So that can be changed as well, but that's a different video. Thank you. I hope everything goes well with your awesome Navien water heater.